How to get ads on Candy Crush Saga, or you can say how to get more ads on Candy Crush Saga. So there is no such way you can get more ads. There is no option which you can tap and you can get more ads. Ads are placed automatically by Google. You cannot manually place ads on your game while playing, so it is basically random. Okay, so for that you just simply have to enable internet connection on your device, and it is basically random. It's based on your luck. You cannot simply place ads on Candy Crush. And this is pretty much it. I cannot change things here, and this is how what it is. So basically you cannot uh, place ads. However, if you press this I button here and then go to this option while data, make sure you have this you know turned off. If it is enabled, just turn it off and enable this option. Make sure it is the way it is. Make sure it is the way in my case. So this is some steps you can just simply follow in order to get ads. So you cannot simply create ads. This is what it is. So hope this video was helpful.